Everybody, here she is. I got my intake manifold in for the turbo build. I'm going to be doing the unboxing. This is the Migfab, Migfab from Canada, custom made. Dude's super cool. He got it to me pretty quick. So yeah, I'm super excited about this part. Definitely worth it. It is a little pricey, but definitely worth it. Because this is going to be seen in the engine bay 99% of the time. This is not really going to be seen that much, so I didn't go super expensive on that. But yeah, can't wait to get this thing open and see what we got. Alright. Let's get this sucker open. Feels like Christmas. Woohoo! Oh shit. Look at this motherfucker. Damn. Let me zoom out so you can see this. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. That is nice. Fuel rail included. Holy shit. Look at that. That is super nice, dude. It's kind of probably hard to see. That is a nice piece, guys. I am so pleasantly surprised at the quality of this piece. It's beautiful. It really is. Look at that. Super nice. Dirt. Yeah, look at that, man. That baby is nice. Nice, nice, nice. So, got your fuel rail. LPG2 flange and everything welded on there nice and clean. Yeah. So that's it. Migfab, thank you so much. This was made in Canada and shipped over to me. I do appreciate him. He did it pretty quick as well. I highly, highly recommend you go check him out. If you're doing a VR6 turbo build, even if you're doing a VR6 NA build with cams, tune, everything, you're going to want to do a short runner intake. You might lose a little bit of torque on an NA, but you're going to gain some up top, and unless you're doing drag, quarter mile racing at the track, low end is not going to matter that much. So, yeah, guys, super stoked. One more thing to add on to the list. Check it off the list. I got my taillights here. I don't know if I showed those in the last one. GLI candy canes. Probably be putting those on pretty soon. And yeah, she's getting close. Tell you what, just driving this car the way it is right now, NA, with cams, a tune, full exhaust, lowered, stiffened up suspension, stage 3 clutch. Man, it's a blast. Puts a smile on my face. I love the exhaust note of this engine. It's one of the best. Yeah, and I just can't wait for it to be boosted. Stay tuned. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.